Falinere here, and I'm going to show you how to connect your Falinere fantasy game directly to Discord. Let's get into it. So, from the game, we're going to go to the options menu, go to connection, and we'll see we have a button here that says authorize Discord. So we're going to click that, and it's going to ask for three core pieces of information: our bot token, our client ID for the bot, and our Discord username. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a bot that we're going to run our game through in our Discord server. If we click Discord Developer Portal, it'll open up a web page. Let me pull that over here. It'll pull up the Discord Developer Portal, and this is where we're going to create our Discord bot. So the first thing we have to do is we have to give it a name. I'm going to call this Falfan Testbot version 4. I'm going to click the Terms of Service box, and we're going to go and create our bot. First step completed, we've created a Discord bot. Let's go ahead and give this bot an icon. If I go here to my Falinere Fantasy assets, we're going to make this, you know what, not a troll. We're going to make this our little test NPC. This is the picture for our bot. Give it a little description, Falfan test bot. You can give it whatever description you want. From there, we're going to hit save changes. Now let's get some information about our bot. So we're going to click OAuth 2, and what we want is the client ID. We're going to hit copy, go back into our game, and we're going to paste that right in here. Now, we're going to go back into the developer portal, click the bot tab, and from here, there's a couple different things we need to do. There's a section right here that says public bot. We want to turn that off. With that off, you are the only one that can invite that bot to a server. No one else can do that. So we want to make sure you have that power. Scroll down a little bit more and you'll find message, content, intent. We're going to turn that on. If this is off, the bot can't read the contents of any message that gets sent. It just knows that a message was sent. But if we turn this on, our bot can receive the actual contents of the message. And we're going to need that to know what you're trying to say when you play the game. We're going to hit save changes. Then from this window, we're going to reset our token so that way we can receive our bot token. So we're going to hit reset token. If you have two-factor authentication turned on for your Discord login, you're going to need to put in your password. I'm going to put mine in here, just like that. And now we have our Discord token, or the bot token for our bot. So we're going to hit copy, go back into the game, paste that token in right here. And the last thing that we're going to need is our Discord username. We can find that by just opening Discord, clicking down here on our profile picture on the bottom left, and then clicking right here where our name is. It'll say click to copy username. It's important to know that your Discord username is different than your display name. Your display name is what you can change whenever you're in a server. You can make it unique for that server. Your username is the same across all servers. We just want to make sure we get that one. Go back into the game. We'll paste our username in. Mine is Falinere in all lowercase. And now we can hit join server. So now this is where we invite our bot to our server. So I'm going to invite this to my streaming server, hit continue. And then here we want to leave all of these checked. Now currently the game only reads and sends messages through Discord. It doesn't do anything with embeds or reactions, but in the future we could release updates that have that integration. We just want to make sure your bot's already prepared for it. Scroll down, hit authorize. I am a human. Boom. We have now invited our bot to our server. If I go back to my Discord channel, I can see right here, Falfan Testbot version 4. There it is. I'm going to give it the mod role just so I can see it easier. Now that our bot's in the server, we're going to create two channels and I'm going to show you how to run the game. We're going to hit create channel. We're going to create a text channel, Falfan channel, doesn't really matter what we name it. And we're going to create a voice channel as well because this part's going to be cool. And we're going to call this voice channel. All right, now we want to make sure that the permissions are set so that the bot can actually see this channel. So we're going to say the send messages and viewing is there. Voice channel, permissions, send view channel, and there should be one here for send messages. There it is. Okay, so now we go to any channel, type /setup. We should see our bot's name and their picture. Run the setup command and it says, thank you for downloading Falinere Fantasy. You've chosen to use this channel to send and receive messages for the game. To change this, use /setup command in a different channel. Now, if we do !class, it will respond to us here and says, Falinere, you're a level 1 Crystal Smith. Now, it's important to know here that any progress that you've made while playing on Twitch won't carry over into Discord. Currently, we are working on a way to connect those two services, but in the meantime, your Twitch progression and your Discord progression are separate as a player. So that's important to note. Now, the cool thing is you can go into a voice channel. Voice channels also have chat channels. And inside that chat channel, you can also run the setup command. So /setup and then !class. Now, what this means is you can take voice channels or chat channels that are gated off by roles, whether it's Twitch subscribers or Patreon members or Ko-fi members or any other way that you want to dish out roles in your Discord server, and you can limit where you play the game at any individual time to those channels. You can have a channel that you run for everyone to play, and then you maybe have like a subscriber only nights you could run in your Discord channel, and only people who have that role that can access that channel can play the game, which I think is a really cool idea. All right, let's go back to the game one last time. There's a final thing I need to show you and we'll wrap this up. So from the options menu, go to connection, and you'll see here now that you have checkboxes at the end of each service that you can connect to or that you have connected to. So currently I have one for Twitch and one for Discord. These checkboxes denote which service you actively want to use in the moment. So if I have Twitch checked and Discord checked, the game is going to read messages from Twitch and read messages from Discord, and it's going to send messages to both of those services at the same time. If I only want to play on Twitch and I don't want my Discord to get pinged because no one's playing in there, then I can turn Discord off without disconnecting the service. Conversely, if I only want to play through Discord and I don't want to play through Twitch, I can turn Twitch off and only play through Discord. And this allows us to not have to disconnect the service and then have to reconnect it later, but still be able to tell the game where we actively want to be playing the game at any given time. Now, you cannot uncheck both of them or any of them, depending on how many you have set up. You will always have to have at least one checked. The game will let you know, hey, you got to keep one of them checked. And for now, I'll just keep Twitch turned on. That's the setup video for integrating Discord into your Falinere fantasy game. I hope you have a lot of fun playing with your community. If you want to see this game built live, you can come check me out at twitch.tv/Falinere. And if you want more information about the game, you can go to our website at www.falfan.stream. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to bringing you more about this game. It's really, really cool. Take care.